How much? 300 bucks. Honda Accord, 1980. Was automatic. Now it's manual. Had to buy a clutch for it. Cost of getting it, not that much. I'm in it probably like 700 bucks. So yeah, here it is. Enjoy. I've been sitting for a wee while. Full of fucking spiders. Fucking 8-legged cunts. It's got a bit of fucking dents and shit to sort out. A bit of rust. But should go pretty hard, I think. Obviously the engine's out of it. This little faggot's helping me. Hey. So it's manual. I think it's a 1.6 liter. I just fucking sprayed the entire inside of this thing with bug killing shit. So don't really like spiders. I guess first we'll push it out and get it all cleaned up and water blasted down and start pulling it apart. It needs a new clutch at the moment, so that's kind of stopping me from putting the engine on it. It's about 2 weeks away, coming from fucking Australia. So, gotta wait on that. And yeah, just tidy it up. Gotta strip all the interior out and clean that up. I think probably future plans would be to change the engine eventually. But I've also got to sort out this fucking garage because it's full of shit and organize it. So yeah, let's get this fucker out. Well, this thing only weighs like 800 kilos, so should be able to roll it out without the engine in it. It's fuck all. So worried that fucking spiders gonna get me. Probably get a better view of it now. A little bit of rust. I reckon the K-series will fit in there. One problem I might have, which hopefully I don't have to take the window out, is the rear rust. In here. Yeah, it's kind of nasty. So I might have to take the rear window out, which I've never taken a window out of a car before, but whatever. Yeah, she's got a bit of shit in her. So it looks like I'm going to learn how to do some panel beating as well. It's the old clutch, but it was covered in oil from the other engine this came out of. Main seal, rear main seal fucking leaked. Put oil through all the bell housing and shit, so hence a new clutch. I mean, I might be able to recondition it, but it wasn't too expensive, so why not? Right. As you can tell, we go through a few beers. Fuck you, cans, cheers. Right, next we fucking hose the cunt down. It's pretty fucking filthy. Yep. Oh, fuck's sake.
Gotta relax.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Human music. I like it. I like it.
Couple of cheeky beers there.
Just a couple, mate.
Nice. What's up, Spanky? Huh? What are you doing? You little fuck? Right, well, it's a week on Saturday, and car's cleaner. That's about all that's happened, really. But clutch kit turned up, so hopefully it's the right one. Nice and new and shiny. Oh, look. What else we got in here? Some grease for the little shafty shaft. Always got to grease the shaft. A new pressure plate, and what is this, thrust bearing? Fuck, I hope this is the right shit. Came all the way from fucking Australia. Today, I'd like to get the engine in and possibly start it. Or maybe even take it for a fucking sneaky / illegal drive up the street to see if everything's alright. So, yeah. Got me old mate Geezer turning up. He's probably going to help me out. Another English bastard. Whole fucking city and country is overrun by you bloody English cunts. And the Germans. Right, alright. Get into it. Little bits. Cunts fuck. Got ourselves a new battery. Some new fluids. Fuck yeah. New fucking drive belt. Yep, fucking sweet ass. Trying to put this cunt in. Dry as a nun's crutch. Yeah, this filter is dry as a nun's cunt. The oil is fucking cooked. Let's see if we got ourselves the correct filter. Don't worry about that. She's an old Honda. She doesn't care about a little dust. It's an 81 Honda. How dare you? What else we got over here? Beer? Oh, you not drinking this beer?
No.
What, have you not drunk anything of it?
No. Oh, yeah.
see what we got here. Yeah, looks about right. Now, to oil or not to oil? 'Tis the question. I am a fan of oil. Always apply oil so it doesn't get all baked. Ugh. And if you don't do that, fuck you. Yep, that looks pretty happy. That's about all she needs. Oh, I got a new belt as well. Cross members in. Fucking Krieger. Can't take that cunt shopping anywhere. Right. Time to put this fucking engine in there now.
Right then. Let's give her a. Are we recording for this? This is like the home shot of the porn vid, isn't it?
Yeah, bro, she's live.
Shares live.
She's live, mate. She's all wound up. She's ready to go.
Just shoot it in her eyes and that's it.
Yeah, bro, she's recording.
Both of them are recording.
Right, start dropping it down. Right, I'm just gonna like fully unwind it and see where it lands.
Fuck off. Alright, steady.
Go on.
You're, yeah. You just need to pass these horns. Right, whoa. So, you just go down a little and we'll line it up with the back.
Yeah?
Yeah, real
Alright.
slow. Real slow. Yeah, go on. Little more. Ooh, look at that.
Happy?
Yeah.
Like a glove?
Like a glove.
Hang on.
Yeah, I'll go.
No, you're right. It's just... Right, now down. Mind my fanny ticklers.
Now this is where we see if this fucking dumbass idea of mine is gonna work. And it is not!
Well, have a look here. There's what, 1.5 inches? I think we'll be able to...
Lift it up and slide it across?
Yeah, point it over to me.
Right.
Where's your... Oh. How about now?
How about that?
How about that? Catch me outside.
Catch me in the engine bay, how about that?
Alright, so we need to go under the plate.
Oh. Yeah, good. Oh shit, it's almost like we know what we're doing. Well, there she is, boys and girls.
Is she in the engine?
They said yes, baby. What? Oh, hold on. We got fuel leak.
Have we?
Yeah. Major fuel leak.
Is that coming out of the carburetor?
Yeah. That is coming out of something annoying. Got some happy bolts now. And then this sucker right now goes right now. Oh, fucking hello.
What have you done?
Just trying to do some custom GoPro mounts with some fucking packing tape here. Everyone just fucking hold the fuck on, eh? Turning now.
14mm nut.
You're a fucking 14mm nut. Oh, and she's tight.
So this earth and these bolts are on here and they're tight.
Yeah.
We'll put the live starter motor wire on.
Oh, yeah, cool.
So obviously we've got a couple more earths. What the hell? Washer.
What? Is that washer?
Yeah, he's actually marked them up.
Yeah,
Washer.
we've got one for, let's see, we got, water temp distributor. Yeah.
Alright. So they go down here.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good way to cut the fuck out of myself. Oh, it did. Knuckle, can I see knuckle? Oh,
No,
flesh.
don't be showing me. Oh, fucking spew.
Oh. Engine's in. Next video will be on getting her started. So, if you like this old Honda shit and what we're doing, feel free to obviously subscribe and give us a like and all that good shite. And yeah, next video will be really soon, probably next couple days. Cheers. Car things. Watch for more car shit. Fun time.